Hey, I'm Elle Rottinghouse with Zips. If you encounter an automobile with seized brakes, stuck transmission, a locked ignition, an electric vehicle with a dead battery, or any other condition where the wheel of the vehicle won't rotate or shouldn't be rotated, how do you move it? An answer to this problem is the GuniHub 45. The hub is designed to bypass the locked wheel in order for it to move freely and without resistance. This can prove valuable when loading the vehicle onto a car carrier or moving it into a service bay, for example. Installation is easy and straightforward. It's made to be bolted to the car's hub after removing the original wheel. The unique cutout design will spin to provide adequate space for your socket to tighten all the bolts. Next, install the GUNIWHEEL 45, 45S, or an OEM wheel or spare with a 5x112mm bolt pattern. Then secure it using the provided GuniHub nuts. For safety reasons, there's a locking pin included. This prevents it from rolling on uneven surfaces. This universal rotating hub system is made from mild steel and can hold 3,500 pounds per wheel, which safely accommodates any conventional or electric vehicle with a 5-bolt pattern. We sell the GuniHub singularly or as a set of 2. If you're interested in saving money and you want to own the GuniWheel temporary wheel as well as the GuniHub, they can be purchased together in a kit. Imagine how much easier and more profitable your job would be if you had the ability to overcome obstacles that others can't. Being prepared for any situation is crucial when you're running a business. Add the GuniHub 45 to your towing accessories, and be assured that when the time comes, you will conquer any interference that comes between you and successfully performing a damage-free tow. Shop all car carrier supplies at zips.com.